Hi friends, my name is Vamsi Kumar from Anusar Tech. Today we will learn a new concept as download mail attachments, and if the file attachment is already available in the destination folder, that file name will be, we have to rename it as an underscore backup, or else we can provide it as an date. Why I am making this video is it is in a real-time use case, because we daily, this is in a daily use case, and also we have to upload the regular files in a file FTP servers. This is a real-time case, guys. Why I'm making this video is because someone, let me show you guys. Manson Wang, as a requested in form, he wants to automate, if Excel already exists, how to copy and rename it as a backup. Here Manson Wang was asking as a he needs to save an email attachment to the destination folder. If the attachment is already available in the same name within an exist file, so he wants to move a backup. He wants to move a file name as an backup underscore. I have prepared a workflow, guys, for this use case. Let me show you guys. This is my use case, and this is the my folder path where I have mentioned here. Let me run, guys. You can observe this is an attachment. This is the my folder path, guys. See, this is the my and this is the my full this is the my full length of the project folder. D where UiPath arc test one is the my project folder, and attachment is the subfolder. This is a full path where I have mentioned it is an inside of, so I mentioned as a partial path. Then after, let me run, guys. So you will get better understand. Here I was have a, I am running this bot twice, because here we didn't attach any attachments. Let me run this, guys. So you will get first we are going to fetch the mails top 5, because we have mentioned here only top 5, and what the attachments are available in the mails. I'm going to save the files here, attachments folder. Let me run, guys. You will get to understand. And this case, guys, please do subscribe if you are new to this channel, and share this channel to your colleagues or any. We need your support, guys. This is the, guys. And one more thing is, we have launched an education for everyone, guys, where you will get the some Udemy paid courses only. In the description I am mentioned. Let me show you, guys. This is the bot. If you observe, guys, this is the time right now. You can check it is there 10:42. 10:42 is the right. This is the right now current timing. And if you observe, these are the my attachments. If I run again, my what are the attachments are available here. It was going to as an underscore backup. This is the actual output. He wants, Manson Wang wants to rename it as a file name. So let me run, guys, so you will get understand. And guys, observe timing also, correct date modified also, because I am running right now only. If you observe 10:43, it just did 1 minute away. Let me run. You will get as a new files as well as modified files. These are the old files. These will become an old files, and new files will be dumped into this attachments folder. This is the my one use case, guys, where we this will be a regular use case, guys. Observe this one. This is the new, and this is the earlier older version, date modified. If you observe, we did a 1 minute ago. For this one, we have backed up this one, and we have changed it to backup. This is the bot one assignment where I have using the for multiple projects, guys. these are the multiple assignment bots or any PDF files. Not only PDF files, we can get any type of the extension, or either it may be Excel file, either it may be text to file. What type of files we are going to mention. If we need the only specific file, we can mention there. Here I am not going to mention any specific file type, guys, and moreover it will do as many attachments are available. Why? Because in our cases we may get the one attachment or two attachments in a mail, so we have automated for any type of number of attachments. Let me explain you guys. Firstly, I have taken a file path, and this is the my file path, guys, and attachments. Then after I am getting credentials. Let me explain you guys. Yeah, platform.uapath.com, this is the portal, and where Anusar default is the my name and orchestrator, and I'm coming to assets. I mean, where I have created the credentials in assets. This is the where I have mentioned Gmail is the my credential name, and if you observe, I have mentioned as in Gmail, my asset name is in a Gmail, and I have taken as in a password underscore password is for naming convention, and username I was taken as in a username. And guys, this is the where we are getting password as in a secure string. While doing of the IMAP mail messages, in some cases we are going to get in trouble as a network credential in I mean not accessible of the network credential. So for that overcome, I did I was converting as secure string to normal string. So I have taken as string str password, and I have SN new system.net.network credential, where string is empty earlier and password is my password we have fetched from the orchestrator, and this is a password field, and I'm mentioning it is here. Guys, make sure you have to enable the get IMAP mail messages and less secure apps also. Let me show you less secure apps, and this is the my less secure apps portal, where we have to enable this one. After enabling only we can get the data. I have taken a for each activity. Why? Because we have to loop, one by one mail. So I have taken a mail attachment, and item is a system dot mail message. This is the my type of argument, and again I have taken a for each activity. Why? Because we have to loop the files again also. This is the where we are going to, this is the my destination folder, so we have to loop the every file name. So if the file is already exist, then it was going to renaming. And here I have taken an if condition, guys, where sorry, this is the not, and this is the file name, and yeah, yes guys, files, where file path will be a file from destination folder way, and I am assigning as a file name. Here I have mentioned as a path.getFiles.files. This is the one file, guys, file path. From file path we are going to get the file name. File name means where I am splitting, guys, if you require get file name without extension also we can do. If I mention without extension also we can do, but where moving the files it will be very unnecessary, guys, where we have to split the strings, file name and the extension. That will be very useful, guys. I will show you that one also. and I have taken an split activity to split the file name with the extension and with the file name, where we are splitting this as a dot. And again I have taken an for each activity because we have to loop the attachment. Earlier we did an for single mail, I mean it is in mail messages. We have and other we have taken an for each activity to loop the files. Then after we have taken an for each activity to loop the attachments inside of the mail. We are looping the attachments. If the multiple attachments available, then it was going to loop the multiple attachments. And I have taken an attachment name. It is an attachment, so I have taken where I was mentioning it as an item dot attachment, because the item dot attachments is an a property, guys. So then I have taken an a condition is an if condition. If the attachment dot name dot contains split one of 0, split one is my assign activity where I have taken to split the my file name. This is the guys split one. And again let me show you guys attachment name, where attachment is the this one, attachment dot name. Attachment is an object we are getting from name, attachment name. This entirely block is attachment name is one block, and contains is the some elements. If the containings means if some elements are exist or anything. And we have taken a split one of 0. Split one of 0 means file name only, not with an extension. Then we have taken for if condition, then we are going to do some action. If the file is already available, then it was going to move the file from the attachments. This is the my destination folder. From destination folder to backup. 2 will be in a destination folder, and we have I am mentioning it as in a split 0 dot means this is an extension for this one, split 1. And split 1 of 0 means file name, guys. Split 1 of 1 means extension. From I will explain you guys. This is the from means source file. This will be an a file to the backup. We are going to move it is in a backup. Attachments underscore split of 10 underscore backup dot split. I will show you guys later after doing this one. Without file extension name we can take. If we did we will get backup as a name. Now with the extension, guys, this is the function dot 1 second, guys, dot pdf underscore backup. We will get like this one, not any pdf file, guys. That will be an a pdf. I will also do that one also. Let me show you later. Then I have taken an attachment name dot files for debugging purpose, guys. And after doing this one, then it will be going to for an break. It means after if it is matches, then it was going to loop going to outside the for loop. If not, we in the first sequence, this is the guys first sequence where item dot attachment. If it is not working, then it was going to save attachments into the destination folder. It will be an item. That is the guys where I have done. Let me run this again so you will get better understand, guys. Observe this. I was going to remove, I am removing the backup files. Yes, guys, I removed the all backup files. This is an live, guys. I am running lively. Observe this. If I run my bot, the all files with the we are going to get it and as in a backup. This is the guys, I did the entirely workflow. Oh yeah, maximum you will get some idea by listening this one. If you observe, we get an backup underscore files. This is the guys, thanks for watching. And I have 1 second guys, I have already told you, if I run the project without splitting off the file names, let me show you. File name is the my file name, and if I run this file name without the file name, I mean without splitting of the file, and where we have to mention it as a backup. Let me now guys observe, I will get as an output files where already files are available. So see and wait guys for 1 second. Yeah, my Snigdha bot is already doing. Yeah, thanks guys for watching this video, and try to learn it as in a maximum practical way guys. Guys observe, these are the common mistakes we will get, where we are without splitting up the extension we are getting a underscore pdf backup, and this is the not way correct way guys. Thanks for watching guys.